Hello and welcome to English class of Standard 11. We will do poem 2.3 There is Another Sky, written by Emily Dickinson. To begin with the icebreakers, the poem is about life and what are the happy and the sad moments of life that you have to discuss and write in this table. Life is a mixture of happy and sad moments. Think of such moments and complete that table. Happy moments: winning the first prize in competition. Second one is being selected for the school basketball team. Third one, getting a scholarship for higher studies. Sad moments will be losing your mobile, bicycle or wallet, getting a lower grade for not submitting the physics project by deadline, or your sibling falling ill during important exams. So these are the sad moments and happy moments. In this way you have to complete the table. You have to write your own examples in it. Discuss the idioms, proverbs or phrases of similar meaning to the one given and fill them in the stars given below. You have to write the idioms or the phrases or even proverbs will do of the same meaning as the one written with red. First one is given to you. Next you have to fill in the stars. First one is every cloud has silver lining, which means there is always hope after darkness. So likewise the next one is there's a light at the end of the tunnel. So this also gives a positive hope. The darkest hour is before the dawn. This is also a positive hope. And the next one is no pain, no gain. So likewise you have to complete the activity that is given. You have to fill the stars with the idioms or phrases carrying the same meaning. When we look at the sky, we find several objects. They stand for something or the other. Complete the following table by finding the significance of the given objects. One example is given to you. The example of the sun is given and we have to write the importance of the moon, the rainbow and the stars. Celestial bodies means the bodies that we find in the space. What is the association with that of the moon? The moon, it is beautiful, it is cool, it is calm and also it goes up and down, that is ups and downs are shown by the moon. The rainbow, it is colorful, freshness, it gives the importance, it is associated with freshness, it gives the association of cheerfulness. The stars, they show hope amid darkness, also they show the direction and they are the symbol of friendship. So likewise celestial bodies and their association, what do they signify? It is given in this table. In this activity colors are mentioned in the hexagons and we have to write the significance, that is importance of these colors, and fill the hexagons. Pink, it shows delicacy. Blue, it has the significance of water, skies, coolness. White, it gives the significance, importance of peace. Yellow, it shows sunshine. Red, life, love, danger, anger, everything. Then black, darkness or evil race. So these are the importance of these colors which are given here. Let's know the poet Emily Dickinson. Her lifespan was from 1830 to 1886. She was an American poet of 19th century. She lived a lonely life. Most of her poems are motivational and philosophical. Her poems are unique to her era, means they were unique during her time, and they are characterized by simple and short lines. That is, her poems were having simple and short lines. She often used slant rhyme and unconventional capitalization and punctuation. Her rhyme scheme was the slant one, not the regular one, and she generally used capitalization not in a normal way, and also the punctuations were not normal. She used to write as she pleased. Her poems are the psalms and hymns of life. That is, they were mostly based on the reality of life in all shades, philosophical side of the life in all shades. Emily Dickinson's poem There Is Another Sky. This is an inspirational poem. It has a message of never say die, that is never give up. It is Petrarchan sonnet, that is it is a sonnet which has 14 lines with octave and seste. Octave means 8 lines paragraph in the beginning, and at the end there will be only 6 lines, and total altogether it will be 14 line sonnet. The poet is communicating to her brother. Now in this poem the poet, she is communicating with her brother through a letter. She is writing a letter and she is talking with her brother through the letter. She encourages her brother not to get depressed under any circumstances, and she is saying that she is pleading him, requesting him that he should return home. She says that life is full of challenges. One can tackle the challenges with a positive attitude. We should always be positive in life. The poem ends on an optimistic note, that is, it ends with a positive note. The brighter garden stands for choices that life offers to all. That is, brighter garden means the brighter side is always there in life. So this poem gives a positive hope to all of us. There is another sky. This is a very beautiful and inspirational poem. Emily is writing a letter to her younger brother Austin, and she is asking him that he should not get sad. Though the surroundings around him are not good, he can always come to her, and there is always a better place around her, so he can come to her. It says in the beginning, there is another sky, ever serene and fair. That is, there is another sky which is always ever serene, means always peaceful and calm and fair. The sky is peaceful, calm and fair. And there is another sunshine. There will be another sunshine. There is another sunshine, though it be darkness there. Means if it is dark around you, but there is sunshine, there is another sunshine somewhere. Never mind faded forest Austin. That is, Austin is the name of her brother, and she is saying that you don't mind if the forest around you, that is situation around you, is faded. Don't mind, never mind silent fields. That is, you don't bother about the silence of the fields. She is saying that here near her there is a little forest. Here is a little forest whose leaf is evergreen. That is, there is a ray of hope. There is green leaf around her in the forest. So that is why she is giving hope to her brother, and she is saying that never mind silent fields. Here is a little forest whose leaf is evergreen. She is building hope within her brother. Emily is boosting her brother's mindset, and she is saying that around her here is a brighter garden. Though there is faded forest around him, but around her there is brighter garden. The things are good here. Here where not a frost has been. She is saying that in her brighter garden there is no frost, there is no sadness. In its unfading flowers, that is the flowers in the garden, they are not fading, they are bright. I hear the bright bee hum, means there is life around. There is no silence, there is a bee who is humming around the flower. Prithee, my brother, into my garden come. That is, Prithee is the pet name, nickname of her brother Austin, and She is saying that Preeti, my brother, do not worry, just come into my garden. Come. She is asking him, pleading him that he should come because he is sad somewhere away from her, and she is asking him to come to her. This poem is written by Emily Dickinson. There's another sky. This is really an inspirational poem, and the message that is being given in this poem of never say die is always motivating. So with this hope, I thank you all for watching this video. Meet you in the next video with the brainstorming of the poem. Goodbye till then.